Meaning of interdependency.
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 Interdependency. The term interdependency refers to a mutual reliance and interconnectedness between two or more individuals, groups, or things. It suggests that these entities are reliant on each other for support, help, and resources, and that their actions and decisions have an impact on each other. In an interdependent relationship, one entity cannot exist or function effectively in isolation without the other. The concept of interdependency is often used in the context of social, economic, political, and environmental systems, as well as in interpersonal relationships.